Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be trying out a Mimone mask. I've never heard of this brand. This is my first time. Not really working with them, more of like they send me this mask for me to just try. I'm not paid, not sponsored or anything. I'm just here to review them and let you guys know what I think about them. From their Instagram itself, it really looks like it's something very unique. It's something that I've never actually seen before. It reminds me a lot of the biocellulose mask, the kind of mask that I actually really love. This is the Q10 Freeze Hydro Essence Gel Mask, also known as like the invisible mask. The mask sheet itself is not a cotton sheet mask. It's a gel mask basically. It says that you can actually dilute it in warm water and then use it as like essence. The gel mask itself is the essence itself, if you get what I'm trying to say here. When I see the instructions behind, it says that I need to keep on the mask for 30 minutes. But according to some other instructions, it says that it's best to put it on for like 45 minutes to an hour. It's definitely a very long pampering session. So if you guys are interested to use this, I think this is definitely more of those nights, spa nights where you really just want to treat yourself, let yourself sit back, relax and chill. Then yeah, this mask is definitely something for you. Looking at the ingredient, it seems pretty good. Like it doesn't have any harsh ingredients. Obviously there's no parabens, there's no fragrance in here. It just seems very nice. I think the main ingredient in Mimone product is supposed to be Q10. Coenzyme Q10 is more of like an anti-aging sort of ingredient, keep your face tight and firming kind of thing. All Mimone products are formulated in New Zealand, and for me, from what I know, New Zealand products generally just all natural and all really good ingredients. Instant hydration and youthful mask infused with serum. Reveal your skin's glow with our Q10 Freeze Hydro Essence Gel Mask. Made from all natural essence with grade A coenzyme Q10, our secret essence formulation improves absorption, hydration, delivering vital nutrients to the skin to leave it feeling smoother, fresher, and energized. You will feel it melt into your skin to leave it feeling smoother and fresher. Suitable for combination dry, normal, oily, and sensitive skin type to give you instant hydration, anti-inflammation, antioxidant, soothe and heal pimples, which is great because I do have one pimple here that is popping up. Apply the mask essence to the face, avoid the eyes and lips area, put on the mask up to 45 to an hour, remove the mask and rinse with water. The instructions on the box itself didn't say that I need to kind of rinse my skin after removing the mask. I'm not gonna rinse it with water. I'm not gonna rinse my skin with water after removing it. One box of this comes with 7 sachets. Ooh, it also says behind here to use it for 15 days for best result. I guess they ask you to apply the essence on the skin first is so that the mask would stick on your skin better. At least it has something to adhere to the skin. And the essence seems fine on my skin, like it doesn't sting my skin in any way. Okay, during application time, I definitely do think that applying this mask is a little bit harder because I'm probably not used to it because it's such a different kind of mask. It's not your usual white sheet mask where you can actually see where you're putting on the mask. You know, maybe on a mirror it'd be easier, but at the same time also it's because of how like wobbly this gel mask is, so it is a little bit tougher to kind of get it at the right spot where I want it to be. Basically around the lips area here, it does feel like it's sting my like the corners of my lips a little bit. Pretty much right now, like after just probably around like a couple of minutes, I can already feel it kind of tightening my skin a little bit. Can feel that tightness a little bit. Not a bad thing because this is a firming mask after all. I don't really smell any fragrance in here, which is great. Checking the packet after applying on the mask, there's definitely a lot more essence in here, so I can definitely use this on my décolletage, my body, on my hands. Let me leave it on for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes and I'll get back to you guys and we'll see how. It's been 45 minutes and I can say that this mask is definitely quite interesting. First of all, I can understand why it's called Freeze Hydro. The mask itself definitely feels very cold, and it's definitely not my aircon talking, because just now when I turn off my aircon and everything while I was just doing my own thing, the mask itself still feels very cold even though the environment is generally quite warm. And I really don't think there's menthol in here that's making it super cold, so I don't really exactly know what's in here that makes it feel like this. Secondly, when it says to feel it melt on your skin, oh my god, I can really do feel like the mask is getting thinner as the time passes. It really feels some part of the mask somehow either got thinner or it's melting. Literally, like it melts into the skin. It feels like that. So much thinner than it was when I first apply on, and as it dries, it sticks on my skin so much better. So interesting. This mask, it's definitely something that I've never tried before. Oh, that feels so good. First up, I can definitely tell the redness on my pimple has definitely reduced quite a bit. The mask has definitely did quite a great job. Like after 45 minutes, it doesn't feel like it has left much essence on the surface of the skin. Like after peeling off the mask, feels like most of the essence has definitely absorbed into the skin. From the camera itself, I can tell that my skin is literally glowing, but on the surface of the skin, it doesn't feel like there's anything. So hydrating. Oh my gosh, that feels so good. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try to dissolve this mask, the leftover mask, gel mask, into like warm water and see if it dissolves or not. I realized I didn't prep any warm water. This is regular room temperature water. I don't know, the water is getting cloudy. Maybe it needs to be hot water. Okay, so I've added just a little bit of hot water just to top it up. Oh, it's actually hot. Yeah, it definitely yeah, it definitely needs hot water for it to be diluted. There, I don't know if you can tell, there's still some strands of like, it looks almost like agar-agar. Definitely looks like, you know, like gelatin in hot water. So you definitely need to dissolve it in hot water. But yeah, it's good to know that it really does dissolve. I'm just so fascinated by this. Like, I keep playing with this. I just want to see like how far can it dissolve. Can it really like fully dissolve? Like there's still some strands that are not dissolving. Maybe the water is already saturated with the essence that I cannot dissolve it anymore. Yep, there's no smell. I'm gonna use this essence to apply on my body. I want to see how it feels like. The water consistency definitely has that essence sort of consistency when you kind of, you know, apply toner, like a little bit of that thicker toner sort of consistency, which is more like a softener kind of thing, to really fully utilize the entire mask basically, and not just throwing away the mask sheet, which is pretty cool. I think this is a very cool technology and it's a very cool concept. The diluted essence, I don't think that is super moisturizing comparative to the essence that is left over from the package itself, but at least I guess you're not wasting the mask away. If you have dry skin type, definitely do try this out. I think this is great for dry skin type people. Thank you so much. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!